Hello and welcome to MWC 2025. My name is Sebastian Robic. I'm a Senior Research and Innovation Manager here at InterDigital, and I'm showcasing today our 6-year innovation in the area of sensing. Sensing has its applications already at airports with radar technology to sense the planes. We have it in cars with proximity sensors. So what we are doing is we are bringing our innovation to 6G mobile networks and perform sensing at scale. Now, what we are showcasing here is one of the use cases where, for example, we have here the connected vehicles, but sensing is in terms of applicability across the domains. We have use cases in the area of digital twinning to understand how the environment looks, and we construct this in digital format. We have also health monitoring and hazard detection, so for people at home to kind of complement the healthcare sector, with all the information from gadgets, from wearables, for example, to enhance it with sensing technology of mobile networks, including phones, and of course also smart factories, where if factories floors change over time, which can happen in the magnitude of a couple of months, we actually allow with the sensing technology of mobile networks to perform sensing without any change of the factory floor's deployment of a mobile network. What we have here at our demo here is essentially a sensing-enabled base station, a sensing-enabled user device, and in the bottom we have our mobile core that can perform the sensing, as in processing the data and exposing it. We also have a HEV, an automated guided vehicle, that drives by its own following this line here. Now, we are sensing with the sensing-enabled base station and user device, we are sensing the area, allowing to detect this HEV being on the floor here. Now, if I'm placing now another object in front of the vehicle, essentially we are now adding the proximity information from this sensor coming from this device also to the mobile core, where we combine all this information coming from the RF sensing as well as from the proximity sensor. And this information is exposed as a single sensing result to an application. Now, in our case, what we are exposing here is the number of sensed objects, which we can see goes up to 2 here, as well as the relative distance between the obstacle and the object itself here. And once I remove the obstacle, sensing results are being updated and again shared to the application, which then can make the decision to tell the vehicle to continue driving on the factory floor. That completes our demonstration here. Thank you very much.